How to create ads on Twitter, Twitter ads tutorial. Like most social media platforms, Twitter is one of the best places to find and engage your target audience. It's a fast-paced platform you can use to achieve many business goals such as lead generation, brand awareness, and even driving sales among others. However, because tweets are limited in length and the platform is one of the most competitive, it may be easy for your tweets to disappear into oblivion within a few minutes. That's why you must leverage Twitter advertising and create an effective campaign if you want your tweets to help you achieve your business goals. Hey guys, my name is Asta from Paper Video. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how you can create an ad account on Twitter. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Let's begin. Twitter is an American microblogging and social networking service on which users can share their opinions with others by a means of 280 words. On Twitter, one can follow celebrities, influencers, politicians, and more Twitter users and know what's happening around the world. You can post, like, and retweet tweets on Twitter. You can create an advertisement account to advertise, schedule tweets, or launch campaigns on Twitter. In order to create a Twitter ads account, you need to abide by the Twitter terms and policies. Follow these steps to create ads account on Twitter. Step 1. Go to twitter.com. Step 2. Then log into the account from where you want to promote your tweets using your Twitter ID and password. Your Twitter ads account will be created for this handle. Step 3. Once logged in, go to ads.twitter.com. Step 4. Now you are eligible to choose between two promotion options. First is that I want to automatically promote my tweets. Choosing this option will lead to sign up for Twitter Promote Mode, which is Twitter's automatic promotion program. And the second is I want to launch Twitter ads campaign. Choosing this option will lead you to set up and manage objective-based campaigns on Twitter. Step 5. You have to choose your country and time zone. Step 6. Choose the country in whose currency you want to pay a bill and the time zone according to which you want to show up your campaign results. Note, you cannot change these values once you have made your account. Step 7. You will now see the campaign setup form or Twitter Promote Mode setup depending on what option you chose for the promotion. Step 8. Fill in your billing information to complete the ads account and begin your campaign. Decide what you want to achieve with your Twitter ads. The campaign objective you choose determines which engagement types and actions you will pay for. You can choose from the following objectives. Awareness. Reach. You want the maximum number of people to see a promoted tweet. Your build per 1,000 impressions. In-stream video views. You want to run a short video ad at the start of videos from Twitter's premium content partners. Your build for each video view. Consideration. Video views. You want people to watch your videos or GIFs. Your build for each video view. App installs. You want people to install your app. Your build for each app install. Website clicks or conversions. You want people to go to your website and your build per click. Engagements. You want to maximize your engagement with your promoted tweets. Your build per engagement, but only on the initial engagement with each user. Followers. You want to build your Twitter audience and your build for each new follower. Next, coming on to conversions, which has app re-engagements. You want people who already have your app to open and use it. Your build for each app click. For this example, we will be walking through a campaign to increase followers and build an audience for your account. After clicking on the followers objective, this will take you to the campaign setup screen. Here, name your campaign, choose how to pay for it, set up your campaign budget, and choose whether to start the campaign right away or schedule it for later. A popular question is, how much do Twitter ads cost? It's totally up to you. There's no minimum budget to advertise on Twitter. So Twitter ads cost as much or as little as you like. The budget you set on this screen is the total amount you're willing to pay. Once you've made your selections, click Next. Set up your ad group and bidding. Now you're on the ad group setup page. For your first Twitter ads campaign, you'll probably want to stick to one ad group. But as you get more comfortable with Twitter ads, split your campaign into categories to target different audiences. Use different creatives or test different budgets and timing. Name your ad group and select a start and end time if you like. Here, you will also choose how much you're willing to pay for each interaction. If you choose automatic bidding, Twitter will set your bid to get the best results at the lowest price based on your budget. This is a great way to start if you're brand new to Twitter advertising and want to get good at grasping how bidding works. Target your audience. The targeting options help you choose the right audience for your ad and maximize your budget. You'll start with demographic targeting. Define your audience by gender, age, location, language, and technology. With location targeting, you can get as specific as a particular metro area or even a postal code. Or you can be broad and target a whole country. The technology component allows you to target by device, carrier, or OS version. The audience features section allows you to target your ad to users based on specific interests like events, interests, and behaviors, and even the specific keywords and TV shows users tweet about. To help guide you, the interface provides an estimated audience size summary that changes as you add more targeting options to your campaign. You can also choose to upload your own list of people, such as your email list, or choose to target people who are similar to your follower base. When you're happy with your choices, just click Next. Choose Ad Placement. On the right side of the screen, you'll choose where you want your ad to display. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Launch your campaign. Finally, review all the options you've selected. Click Launch Campaign to launch your ad. And that's it. You can also visit our website, papervideo.com, and check out our blog section for the article 10 Steps to Get 10,000 Twitter Followers for Free. Link is of course in the description down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Drop a comment below and tell us what topics you would like to learn more about. Thank you for watching.